Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a shared drive in Google Workspace. This is a powerful way to organize team files in a central location where everyone has access, making collaboration much smoother and keeping everything in one place. First, open your web browser and head over to drive.google.com. It's important that you sign in using your Google Workspace account here, not a personal Gmail account. Shared drives are a workspace feature, so you'll need the right type of account to access them. Once you're signed in, look at the left-hand menu on your Google Drive homepage. You'll see an option labeled Shared Drives. Click on it. This section is specifically designed for team collaboration and is separate from your personal My Drive folders. Now at the top left of the screen, just above your list of shared drives, you'll see a button that says New. Click on it to begin creating your shared drive. A dialog box will appear prompting you to name your drive. Type a descriptive name in the name field, something that clearly identifies the purpose or team using it, then click Create to finalize the setup. Your new shared drive will now appear in the list under Shared Drives. Go ahead and open it by clicking on it. To make this drive useful, you'll need to add team members. Look for the Manage Members option, which is represented by a person icon either at the top of the screen or in the drive's details. Click on it. In the window that opens, type the email addresses of the people you want to invite to the shared drive. After entering each email, you'll need to assign a role. You can choose from options like manager, contributor, or viewer depending on what level of access each person needs. Managers have full control, contributors can add and edit files, and viewers can only see content. Once you've assigned roles, click Send to invite them. With your team in place, you can now start adding content. Click the New button inside the shared drive to upload files or create new folders. This keeps everything organized and accessible to everyone with access. If you need to fine-tune permissions later, simply right-click any file or folder to adjust sharing settings or access levels. And that's it. You've set up a shared drive that your team can use to collaborate efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.